Hi everyone, and welcome to Business Communications. This video will walk you through our course setup, our Canvas homepage. When you open up your Canvas shell, you need to click into our specific course, and what you'll see is our Canvas homepage. That's what you're looking at now. And you'll find our introductory unit. We have my contact information, information about our Cengage textbook. If you need a little extra help with Canvas, there's a tutorial for you. But what I recommend that you do is go ahead and get yourself set up with Cengage. We're using a Cengage textbook. This little video will get you started. If you have more than one class with a Cengage textbook, you may want to get a subscription. This dashboard can help you get started with that. You need to purchase at least an ebook with a MindTap access code. That's where our quizzes for the course will be. Once you've done that, once you've made your purchase, you'll be able to click on this link right here, and that will launch your ebook. Now, please don't worry if your Canvas course homepage looks a little bit different. This is an all-purpose video, but once you get your own ebook plus access code, you will see on your Canvas homepage your own discrete link. You can click on it, and that will launch your ebook. You can take all of your quizzes from Canvas or directly from this link. You don't need a course key. I'm going to say that one more time. Just click on this link. You don't need a course key. Our course syllabus is right here. You might want to go ahead and review all of our course policies in our syllabus. But let me show you, before we go any further, what our course looks like. It's divided up into units. Our first unit is Work on Your Own Business Brand. Every unit has due dates. You'll find a prompt, and then the chapters for this unit will also be linked. If you click on this link right here, it will take you directly to the quiz. If you want to read or get more information, the textbook has a lot of helpful links, videos, model documents. You can go ahead and click on this link to launch the full ebook. And I will show you what that looks like. If you go ahead and launch your ebook, you can go ahead and click on Expand All. This is my version of the book, but you'll see your book. And if you scroll down, anything marked by an orange dot counts toward your grade. This is the quiz. Obviously, you're going to do better on the quiz if you read the chapter. If you use some of the helpful model documents, that will help you prepare some of your assignments. But this is what counts toward your grade. And so we'll go back to our course homepage. These links will take you directly to those quizzes. All right, so scrolling down, you have a resume unit. There's the chapter link for our resume discussion. You have a tips page. Now, in Canvas, we have some discussions. And it's always helpful to go in and look at the due dates, because Canvas may only show you the end date, the final due date, but you need to go into a discussion and you need to make an initial post prior to the final due date. So just remember, for discussions, and it's actually a good idea with all of our units, make sure that you go in and click on our due dates. That's where you'll see everything you need for each unit. We'll be doing an extensive career portfolio to help you get started with your next career. And then we'll be finishing up with reports. If you have any questions, you can always reach me through Canvas. My contact information is right here. You can also reach me through my campus email. I look forward to working with you. Make sure that you let me know if you have any questions.